Okay guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to lay out your drawings on a drawing sheet. After you have completed your said drawings, you're going to go to New. After following along with the previous video where I showed you how to create your title block, you'll open that title block. To bring in your parts, all you need to do is go up to Base, and this dialog box pops up. When you want to start laying out your drawings, remember that you need a front, a top, and a right side view. Most of the time, things fit pretty well, but if they don't, you can always click on the scale. We can make things smaller, or we can make things bigger to adjust to whatever size we need. But in this case, for these puzzle cube parts, all we need is the 1:1 scale. Make sure that your shaded button is unclicked so that way our parts come out just as lines. As you can see, you have your visible object lines and your hidden lines. Now that you have all of these, go up to the Annotate tab and then click on Dimension. The first thing that we want to set is our overall height, our overall width, and our overall depth. These three dimensions are key. After we have those three, we can then add small details. For this, we can add these individual detailed dimensions, and we can put them where they best fit. Try not to over dimension. Don't add too many dimensions that will confuse the reader. As you guys are dimensioning, you'll notice that dotted lines appear. Use those dotted lines to your advantage because those will keep everything evenly spaced. Once you have enough dimensions, you can line up your different dimension lines so that they all line up nice and neat. One last view that you might need is our isometric, and this will help the reader understand what they are looking at. To place that, go to Place Views and then select Projected. Click on the front view and then move your cursor to this corner. Right-click and click Create. As you guys can see, this is too big to fit in this corner. So I just need to double-click on it, change the scale, and I want it to be colored. Once you have that, that completes our drawing. But the last thing we need to change is the actual name of this part. Make sure that you center and middle justify your text. After you have completed your dimensioning and you have changed your title block, the next step is to save. You can save this as whatever the drawing file is supposed to be. In this case, mine is purple. I also need to export this. Exporting to PDF is the easiest and quickest way so I can grade it on Schoology. Go up to File, click Export, and choose PDF. From there, it's just going to ask you what to name it. Please make sure that you name it correctly and click Save. When you upload to Schoology, make sure that you are only uploading PDFs. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.